Good day, everyone. We are the Group 1, so now we will discuss about the death of Ludwig van Beethoven. But before that, I would like to introduce first who is Ludwig van Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven is one of the most widely recognized and admired composer in the history of Western music. Beethoven was born in 1770 into a modest family in the small German provincial town of Bonn, where he would study composition and played the piano and viola until moving to Vienna in his early 20s, where he would live the rest of his life.
How did Beethoven die? Many speculation that death of Beethoven is because of lead poisoning, but some studies show that it was the main reason of his death.
By the age of 22, Beethoven had begun experiencing gastrointestinal symptoms, including abdominal pain and diarrhea, that would plague him for the rest of his life. He then started going late around age of 26 or 27, which, though initially kept secret, prompted him fall into depression. So, si Beethoven ay nakaranas ng mga sakit tulad ng gastrointestinal symptoms, diarrhea, at abdominal pain. At naging salita sa kanyang buhay at nagsimula siya mabingi ng mga edad 26 o 27 years old pa lang siya, pero sinikreto niya ito at nakaranas ng depression si Great Beethoven.
The beginning of the end for Beethoven. When he fell ill upon returning to Vienna, he experienced fever, cough, shortage of breath, and spitting aches in his sight. He also began spitting up blood. His abdomen swelled so badly. Meanwhile, he developed jaundice and swollen feet, a possible signs for liver failure.
The death of Beethoven. The genetic analysis conducted on 5 locks of Beethoven's hair, taken as mementos from his head during the last 7 years of his life, also revealed that he had a high risk of liver disease, sakit sa atay. This genetic risk, along with the hepatitis B infection, which likely also damaged his liver, may have played a major role on his death. Genetic analysis na nag-ungkat sa dahilan ng pagkamatay ni Beethoven. Yung genetic analysis na yon ay sinagawa sa buhok na nakuha sa ulo ni Beethoven malamang nung huling 7 taon ng kanyang buhay. At yung genetic analysis na yon ay inilabas o ni-reveal na meron siyang high risk ng liver disease. Kaakibat nun ay meron din nakita na hepatitis B na pwede ring mag-damage sa kanyang atay o liver. Yan. Tapos sinabi rin ng genetic analysis na yung dalawa na yon ay may malaking naging parte sa pagkamatay niya. Yun lang. Thank you. Beethoven began to lose his ability to hear in his mid to late 20s. Becoming completely deaf by his late 40s. He also suffered from increasingly severe gastrointestinal problems o yung problema sa kalooban ng kanyang tiyan throughout his life. Experiences at least 2 attacks of jaundice, a symptom of a liver disease. Yan. Sabi dito, si Beethoven daw, nagsimula simula nang mawala yung pandinig niya, simula nung siya pa ay mid to late 20s. Yan. At nawala yon completely nung siya ay nasa 40 anyos na. At saka yan, sabi pa nga dito, nakaaramdam na daw siya ng mga pananakit sa tiyan, problema sa tiyan, sa kanyang throughout his lifespan, sa kanyang buhay. Tapos, naka-experience din siya ng 3 atake ng jaundice. O ano ba yung jaundice? Pag sinabing jaundice, ito yung simptomas ito ng liver disease kung saan namumula nadidilaw yung Yung puti na mata mo na yan, naninilaw, tsaka yung balat mo naninilaw rin dahil yun sa liver disease. Nearly 200 years later, the locks serve new purpose, helping to unravel the long debated mysteries surrounding Beethoven's ill health. An international team of researchers who published a 2023 paper in the journal Current Biology used the hair to sequence Beethoven's genome and found him to be genetically predisposed to liver disease. Ibig sabihin lang nun, nung nearly 200 years later na daw, nagkaroon na. Parang unti-unti nang nahalungkat yung totoong dahilan ng pagkamatay ni Beethoven. At saka ito nga, nag-publish na yung International Team of Researchers noong 2023, yung Current Biology, na ginamit yung buhok niya to sequence Beethoven's genome. O ano ba yung genome? Ito yung set ng tawag dito? It's a complete set of genes or genetic material present in a cell organism. Ano na yan? Nahanap doon na siya daw ay talagang genetically predisposed to liver disease.
The death of Beethoven. Further DNA analysis of the locks revealed the composer high risk of liver disease, possibly caused by a genetic disorder called hereditary hemochromatosis. The risk factor did not exceed one that would go unnoticed by most people, but that researchers believe that Beethoven's well-documented love of alcohol, alongside his infection with hepatitis B virus, which can damage the liver, could have caused him to develop liver disease. So, according the DNA from Beethoven, hair reveals clues about his death. The composer was predisposed the liver disease and had hepatitis B at the end of his life.